Welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and healthy recipe. It's a banana stalk kootu, which is a Sri Lankan recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. I've taken 2 banana stalk, which is finely chopped, 2 green chilies which is slit, about 6 garlic cloves and 6 shallots which is crushed, about 1 cup of lentils or moong dal, 1 large tomato which is finely chopped. I've taken 1 coconut and extracted 2 milks, the first milk and the second milk, and keep it aside. Now take a pan. Into the pan, let's add the moong dal or the lentils which is washed, about 1 cup. To this, let's add about 2 cups of water. Now, let's add the crushed garlic and shallots. Also add the 2 green chilies. Let's add the tomato which we have chopped earlier. And add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's add the second milk first. At this stage, let's add the chopped banana stalk and mix all the ingredients together. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. Close the pan with a lid and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. So it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. Let's check. You can see that our lentils and banana stalk has absorbed all the water. It's almost half cooked. At this stage, let's add the first milk, which is thick and creamy and nice. The thick coconut milk gives a very good flavor to this dish. So after adding the first milk, let's mix all the ingredients together and close the pan with a lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's check. We can see that the banana stalk and the lentils are well cooked and the coconut milk has been absorbed. Now switch off the flame. Take another pan. Into the pan, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Let's also add about 6 dried red chilies. This gives a nice heat to the dish. You can alter the dried red chilies according to your taste. Also add a few curry leaves. And about 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Now let's transfer this into the banana stalk mixture and garnish it. At this stage, let's add the salt. Add salt according to your taste. Mix everything together and serve it with a nice hot rice or even chapati. So that's it, friends. Our delicious banana stalk kootu is ready. This is a Sri Lankan recipe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.